Hey everybody, this is Flora again from Aviara. I'm here in our largest home here at Aviara, and I'm going to show you a 3-bedroom loft that we have. It's our only one, and I'm so excited to show you. All right, this is the little entry here as soon as you come in, and you have this nice big closet that will be your coat closet and accommodates quite a lot in here. And then you have this nice hallway that way goes straight to the living room and kitchen. And then here to the left, you have 1 bedroom and you have the second or guest bathroom. So in this bathroom, you have a really nice pantry here with extra storage, nice big mirror, and really large bathroom with a bathtub. And then next you have one of our 3 bedrooms. This is a full 3-bedroom, and look at this gorgeous view. It's raining in Seattle today, but look at those trees. So that is our senior home right across here, all ages. Gorgeous building. Then we have, this has a walk-in closet, believe it or not. This is a 3rd bedroom, not a master. Look at that space. Again, this is on the top floor, so you have high ceilings. Nice carpet throughout. And then you have, this is laundry area. And this is your 2nd bedroom. It's a tad smaller than the other bedroom, but it's a 3rd bedroom. Again, that nice view. Has this nice light-in closet. Still a lot of storage in here. Nice closet here. And from here, we go to see this. Oh my goodness, look at this light. So first I want to show you the kitchen from the side here. So you have this front and back kitchen, and then voila. Oh, look at that light that comes through. Look at that, with those windows. I love this flat bar here. It's wonderful for entertaining. This is a corner unit, so it's facing west and north. So this is your north side. Gorgeous patio or balcony. That's north facing. All those trees. There's a park right over there on all the way across behind that building. And then look at that. And this is west, facing ages. There you go. So there's your loft up there. Look at the amount of light that comes through here, that space. Look at this kitchen. So that's your bar. You can do bar stools here. These are on the shorter ones, not like our usual tall bar, breakfast bar. Nice pantry in the kitchen, and you've seen our appliances before. And this is your master. Again, high ceiling. So this one, because it's a 3-bedroom, has 2 AC ports, 1 in this master and 1 in the living room, and actually has a 3rd one in the loft. Closet in the master, and your master bath. Nice. Again, bathtub. It has a full bathtub, so with armrests. Has lots of counter space. And then next I'm going to show you the loft. So go up the stairs. Some really nice large windows. So this one has, normally you'll have a halfway window, but this particular one, how it's set up, has a full top to bottom window. So look at the amount of light that comes through here. So you can turn this into the office, or you can turn it into the third or fourth bedroom. This again has 3 bedrooms and the loft. Oh, something cool I want to show you. Look at that. This is amazing. Again, one more glance at this one from this side. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that tour as much as I did. This doesn't come available often, but when it does, I'm so excited to come in here and then see this gorgeous light that comes through here, and a lot of space, a lot of storage, all that closet space, all those beautiful big bathrooms, and this nice, beautiful kitchen. So a lot of entertainment happens here. So let us know if you have any questions, and we're here to help and answer any questions you may have. See you later.